I am a corporate drone. Thank you for paying me for my time. Thank you for paying me. In this video, we're going to review the Kevin David Shopify Masterclass. And the reason why is because I feel like, and I truly believe this, okay, is because it's a tool that can essentially change your life forever. Let's get into it. Cue! Shopify is an online platform where you can sell items online to potential buyers using advertisement, using Facebook, using other platforms to get people and drive traffic to your website. The beauty of that is you get to customize it how you want. Pick a niche, make it niche specific. And what I mean by that is if you're a pet lover, you can make your website about pets and sell pet products. If you love beauty and you want it to be about beauty, you can sell beauty products. All these things are at the tip of your fingertips because now you have a serious tool to project to the world products that you feel that they need in their lives. And now the trick is learning how to bring people to your site and driving traffic to your site. And that's where a lot of people run into little issues. And that's why I think this course has all the tools you need to make it happen. You know, whether you're a beginner or not, it doesn't matter. This course may be for you. And how to figure out if it's for you or not, well, we're gonna talk about that, okay? First things first, before you start off with any online opportunity, I wanna make this clear. You have to make sure that it's for you. Will it fit in your lifestyle, your thought process, your changing? Will it fit for you? Through all these courses that I've seen online, a lot of them claim to, you know, a no startup fee and $0 to begin and begin for free. I'm gonna tell you straight, there's no such thing as starting up for free. Everything costs money, and you have to understand that it costs money to make money. And so with this, I want to get the mindset right, okay? If you think that this is something that it's going to be able to, you know, change your life at a drop of a hat, a few clicks will get you your passive income, you have to understand that this may not be for you, unfortunately, okay? But if you understand that fact already and you know that it's going to take some upfront cost, it may not be as much as some other opportunities out there. But for this particular opportunity, there's a low startup cost, which is what makes it so amazing. Why I think that so many people should jump on it. And because of the plethora of information that's out there, you generally could find the information that I'm about to show you, but the time being saved is what you're paying for, really. And the organization that someone was able to put it all in a small little package for you, and you can just unravel it by yourself and be able to dive in and take control of how long it takes you to learn something, and all that is just pretty much self-taught. But you have your information in front of you. You don't have to go hunting for, is this information correct? Is it right? And what proof do they have? It's like these things you don't have to hunt for anymore because it's all in one small package already done for you. Now, what is it? In this video, I'm gonna go in later and I'm gonna show you, jump on my laptop, we're gonna dive in, I'm gonna show you what the course looks like from within so you can feel a little more comfortable about what I'm talking about, okay? And then there's a free bonus at the end for you guys, if you guys are interested into finding out some more about this. With any online opportunity, you have to understand, anybody who tells you like, oh, I made $100,000 in a month, that didn't happen overnight. That was consistency and persistency of learning the product and learning the industry and getting to understand how to drive those sales into your website, okay? Because it is not an overnight success type of thing, okay? You need to be serious about actually wanting to be an entrepreneur, and there's a lot of things that come with that because a lot of people show you their glory, but they never show you the full story. And nowadays, because everyone's kind of flocking over to the online, making money online sector, you can tell that there is a vast amount of information out there now, and even you know, many people claiming to be gurus and claiming to be experts that are offering courses and ways to do certain things. But the main question still stands: how legit are they? How do I know you're not lying to me? And so I'm here to actually look a little deeper into the Kevin David Shopify course so that way you can have a better picture, and maybe this might be a possible tool that might help you along that journey. It's only right that I change. Ready? Watch this. There we go. All right, there we go. Good. Now, Behind every great organization, there is a leader. In this case, it's Kevin David and his Shopify course. And Kevin David, I actually had the opportunity to meet him in person. I was actually shocked about how cool he was, down to earth, authentic, you name it. Just pretty much, he wasn't an a-hole, okay? He was authentic and legit as it comes. He told you like it was, and whatever you saw online was exactly who he was in person, and that I appreciated 100%. And so I became a part of the Ninja fam, okay? That Lifestyle Ninja is what I became a part of. It's because I believed in the things he was doing. His mission in life is to actually help people escape from the corporate slavery. Remember that corporate drone? You don't want to be like that guy. So the goal is to go ahead and be your own boss. And this course will help you to do that. The other thing I want to point out is that in this community, he has the Ninja community. It was so supportive. Everybody was there to help one another. I noticed that people were jumping in, chiming in, and answering each other's questions. And if something happened that, somebody was having trouble with something, somebody would come in and rescue, and give that information that they needed and help them to move forward. And that is so important. It's very hard to find many groups that have that type of connectivity, and you need that. And it's not an overly sized group where you get lost in the sauce and you don't know who's helping you, who's what, in a 60,000 member group. Enough of the fluff, enough with the introductory talk. Let's get right into it. We're gonna hop into my laptop right now. Hey, what's going on, everybody? And we're back and we're live, and I'm here right now logged into the Shopify Ninja Masterclass, and I want to take a deeper dive with you guys right now to show you what this course really entails and what to expect. So guys, here we have a total of 5 modules, and you'll also get a mini course if you want to start that first to kind of get your head wrapped around the game and see what to expect in the course. And the bonus, after you're done with all 5 modules, you have some bonus courses down here, and those are also a good add-on as well. Unfortunately, I can't click on every module and show you the title headings and everything, because Kevin would probably honestly kill me if he found out that I ever did that. But I at least can show you the tabs and what to expect when we're actually logged in. So module 1 is how to find hugely profitable products to drop ship on Shopify, and that's one of the main issues with Shopify is people finding profitable products. No profitable products, no sales, dead business. That's as simple as that. That module right there has got to be one of the most important modules in this course, okay, along with the rest here. So module number 2, talk about world-class drop shipping suppliers. And once you find these products, you have to find suppliers to help you kind of get these things manufactured, so that way you can drop ship them effectively to your customers. Another thing is drop shipping time, and another thing to deal with is how fast you can get the product ready to be drop shipped, and how trustworthy is this manufacturer. That module goes through everything on how to help you to find dedicated drop shipping suppliers, okay? Module number 3, quickly talking about Shopify store optimization. So let's say you got your store up, you found a profitable product, but now you want to make sure that that store is appealing. You want to make sure that people are gravitated to it. The types of information and colors that you have that pops information, like their emails, if you want to grab that, so that way you can retarget them and ask them questions later, or make offer ups later, or let them know you have a new product in your store. That's another awesome way to do that. Marketing explosion, module number 4. Let me explain to you. Even if you had, let's say, a fire product, even if you had a fire website, if you don't know how to get the word out there, it does nothing for you. You might as well not even have a site, to be honest with you, okay? Marketing explosion will teach you and help you to get the word out about your store or products, because that product ad or whatever you use, Facebook ads is huge. You can even use Instagram ads, and now a few folks are using even Snapchat and targeting those folks, okay? And what that helps you do, it helps you to reel customers in using a hot product, or a product that they would need or would find cool to have. Like, I know a lot of people seen some ads about the long super zoom telescope lens where you can put on your phone and kind of clip on there. Even I clicked on it. I mean, I came like this close to buying it. I really think I'm actually go back and buy that. I think I would. But that right there, you know, they grabbed me because they had a video, and it just grabbed my attention right away. Good letters, and it said free shipping, and like it said just pay for shipping, and I was really grabbed. That store was really well done, and I can't say that enough. It grabbed my attention. It gave me the price, because the next thing I thought about was how much is it, because I'm already hooked. And you know, amazingly enough, you know, I got onto the website, and I just really loved all their products. I did order a couple things from their products, so you know, they got me as a customer, and they also had me put in my email, so now they can retarget me because I want to know more about them, you know, down the road. The Shopify Ninja Masterclass mini course, honestly, is really a good overview of, and this is why I have it open, because this is part of the bonus. I want to give you guys a bonus of being able to have free access to the Shopify mini course, okay? And there's a link in the description. All you have to do is click it if you want access to this, because what this will do is give you the perfect introductory videos on what to expect with the course, how to open up and start a store, and just kind of give you an overview of Shopify in general. And then you can make a decision, is it for me or is it not for me? Okay, don't ever be pushed to do anything. Okay, all I'm doing, my goal is to just provide you with tools to get to the end goal. If your goal is to be an entrepreneur, or if your end goal is to have an extra side income, you can do this with Shopify. And not only that, you don't have to hunt for information like I did when I started. I was trying to, you know, look at YouTube videos and all these gurus and everything that they were offering for free, which was awesome information. But what I was trading was time. A lot of time was used up in trying to find this information. So with that being said, this is going to be the course that I'm going to be offering you guys, just to get a free taste of what it's like to actually have this in the palm of your hands. And once you're in, you'll have the bonus on you know, super niches to make huge profits from. He also even gives you the how to create a t-shirt empire. I mean, that's just amazing in itself. And how to use ClickFunnels to 10x your sales and conversions with one funnel. And that, you know, I'm not going to talk anymore. You're just going to have to see for yourself, okay? I gave enough information. I feel like if you're serious at this point, you go ahead and take the Master Mini course. Make the decision for yourself, and trust me when I tell you, the testimonies speak for themselves. Well guys, there you have it, the in-depth look on the Kevin Davis Shopify Ninja Masterclass. I hope it helped for you to kind of see exactly what you're dealing with and what it is that it has to offer you. I mean, so many people have changed their lives with Shopify. Let the next person be you. Why not? And for those of you who have not heard of Shopify, well, if you don't know, well, now you know.